next 2-3 minutes. We'll just wait for some elders to join in and we will just begin. And I hope in the meantime, everyone is well settled with their cup of tea. And welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder.
Yes, Mr. Marwa.
Okay. नहीं मैं sorry एक हमारे Mrs. Parvinder भी they've joined in तो उनको welcome कर रही थी. So but I'll remember your this thing. Sorry, I did not know your this thing, but I've seen you once in the office, so I remembered you coming to the office, but I did not know your name. So my apologies for that, but now I'll remember. So, okay, today Mr. Mahesh Sharma has also joined us. So good to see you. Dr. Sharma, welcome. All right, Abbas, are we all ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So, good evening to all of you. And once again, a very warm welcome to Mo TV, our Imoha virtual TV that we've launched for you all. And with all our lockdowns and all happening, this is our way of connecting with you. And it's a pleasure to have you on our platform here. And I hope that you are enjoying the sessions that we have for you. I hope all of you remember that we have 4 sessions happening. The physiotherapy session at 8 in the morning. At 11, we have a doctor's talk with different topics. We have a dietitian's talk at 4. And 6 o'clock, I join you with some entertainment. Right? So I hope you all are having a great time. And today, like I said, we have a very popular musician with us. So just to tell you a little about him, okay, let me just talk about his journey first. The journey of Abbas Jain, a boy who fell head over heels in love with music, reminds me of a popular quote by Charles Darwin. If I had my life to live over again, I would have made a rule to read some poetry and listen to some music at least once every week or more. So imagine a 5-year-old kid who knows nothing except his undying attraction for rhythms and tunes, and finally emerges as a popular YouTube voice after years of dedication and persistence. This exactly is what defines our special performer for today. So prep yourself up to step into the captivating world of Abbas. He loves to sing Bollywood songs along with some popular Western songs. And if you want to find his cover, you will find him on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So Abbas, over to you, and let the music begin.
Thank you, Ritu. Thanks for such a wonderful intro. Even I didn't know. I'm so good. So thank you for such wonderful words. And आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Ritu, आपको and Manisha को मैं thanks बोलता हूँ for such a wonderful initiative that you are reaching out to music lovers through this medium. And I have done prior live concerts, live shows also. इस तरीके से भी मैंने 2-3 बार अभी live sessions किए थे. But this is a unique experience because यहाँ पे जो लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं बहुत ही हमारे देश के senior लोग हैं. And उसी हिसाब से मैंने गाने भी I have selected some very good old melodious songs. So I hope आपको मेरी performance पसंद आएगी. And please आपको जितने भी लोग हैं साथ में गुनगुनाइए क्योंकि सारे गाने सब गाने जानते हैं. So I'll start with can I start the singing portion now?
Of course, please.
Okay, okay. So I'll first of all, am I audible to everybody? Just raise your hand if I'm completely audible. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay, that's great. So I'll start with a popular song by Kishore Kumar, जिसके आज इस गाने के बहुत remixes भी अब बनने लगे हैं, and काफी नए singers भी इसको अलग-अलग अंदाज में गा रहे हैं. तो मैं आपके लिए पुराना गाना जो है उसी अंदाज में गाना चाहता हूँ. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे को दुआ कीजिए. अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जा शर्मा गए, अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए. अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जा शर्मा गए, अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए. मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा, भाई ऐसे ना आहे भला कीजिए.
रश्मि, वीडियो तो नहीं चाहिए ना?
दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता हूँ मैं, तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं. मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए, अब खुद ही सनम फैसला कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों से मोहब्बत होगी. मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती हैं, तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझे से शिकायत होगी. मेरे महबूब तेरी गली में आता सनम, नगमा वफा का गाता सनम, तुझसे सुनाना जाता सनम. फिर आज इधर आया हूँ मगर ये कहने मैं दीवाना, खत्म बस आज ये वहशत होगी. आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों से मोहब्बत होगी. मेरे महबूब. Thank you.
Wow, that was simply brilliant.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was
Thank you.
beautiful. Well, you can see all of them clapping for you, and I think they all
I can
were.
very well see that.
Yes.
I can very well see that. Thank you. Thanks a lot to everybody.
Yeah, I'm sure everyone just loved that song. And
yeah, that's a very popular number.
And the beauty is that you were playing the guitar along. It's like a live show going on right in their houses. And they can enjoy you singing with their cup of tea. I cannot even say their drinks right now. I can just say their cup of tea at this point of time. So I hope you're having your chai pakoras and enjoying Abbas's singing. And over for the next song, right to Abbas.
Okay. Okay, the next song is a somewhat new song, and but it's equally popular. The song is by Udit Narayan, and it's starring Amir Khan. So if you guess the song, just raise your hand, okay, everybody. Just a minute, please. Okay, is the piano audible?
Yes, it is. It is. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really amazing.
I can feel the claps. I can feel the claps. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I think everybody's put off their videos. I think everybody should put it
no
on
problem.
so that everybody can, clap for you and you can see it. And we will also be, they can unmute themselves as in when you finish your songs. And I love the way, you're so multi-talented, playing the guitar, playing the piano. I wish everybody could see the piano also. So maybe after you finish, you could focus on.
I think
it's too big to get focused, but we'll show them the piano a little later on.
No, I can just give everybody a glimpse for the piano.
Sure. So this is actually like a live show going on, and
Ritu, I think there is some internet problem. We are not getting the voice clearly.
Of me?
No, even the songs also.
I
We are not
think
getting clear.
then auntie, I think आपका उधर थोड़ा सा problem होगा because यहाँ पे clearly आ रही है. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Maybe if you could move little towards your Wi-Fi location. हाँ जी. So there must be internet connection at your place. यहाँ पे we all can hear properly.
Okay. I'm not getting it. I mean, he is singing so good and I can't understand. I can't listen it properly.
Oh, I see, I see. So
So
maybe if you
well
could
he is
just,
singing.
if you could just move a little, you know, if you could just move a little to a place where the internet connection would be a little better. At times, you know.
I think this is the best place where we have already.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, it's okay. We are like, maybe it is somewhere here only. The problem is here.
Could be, could be. So,
Okay, continue, please.
right, Abbas, back to you with your
Yeah.
next song. And you can also let us know which song you'll be singing.
Yeah, okay. The next song is again Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman combination.
Wow.
So, am I audible to everybody?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman combination. Do we have anybody who knows Bengali?
Bengali.
Actually, I also don't know Bengali, but the thing is, this song has 1 or 2 lines of Bengali, so I'll be singing that also, and the Hindi song.
Great, great. I don't know, Mr. and Mrs. Marwa might be able to help you with that.
No, it's fine. It's okay.
Since the son-in-law is a Bengali, maybe they might understand it more.
Okay. No problem.
We can't hear you, Mrs. Marwa. आपका mute पे है actually ये. If you could just unmute.
You are unmuted. Well.
Hanji. So I just said maybe Somajit could be helping out with that since you're none of us know Bengali.
I know more Bengali than Somajit.
Oh, great. So here you have one Bengali person. Yeah. Great. So they are Punjabi and Sikh, but like she said, she knows Bengali, so she'll be able to understand what you're saying.
I can understand.
Right.
Oh, that's great. Namaste, Andy.
नमस्कार.
Okay.
रितु जी, महेश शर्मा जी ने हैंड रेज किया हुआ है, आप एक बार उनसे पूछ लीजिए.
Sorry. Okay. हाँ जी, Dr. Sharma? Dr. Sharma, can you hear me?
Arun Kumar Roy.
Shall I start?
So I think we will just continue. Yes, Dr. Sharma, how are you? Good to see you. I believe you had raised your hand. So anything you would like to say? Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Roy have also joined in.
Yes.
Welcome to you too. And I will again go back to Abbas. I don't want to waste any of our time, with him. So Abbas, sorry, I think we just stopped you in the middle.
No problem.
Right.
Okay, shall I start?
Yes.
মনে পড়ে রুবি রায় তোমাকে কত করে ডেকেছি দেখে বলো আমাকে তোমাকে কোথায় আমি দেখেছি मेरी भीगी भीगी सी मेरी भीगी
सी मेरे सपने बिखर के जले मन तेरा भी किसी के मिलन को अनामिका तू भीतर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी तुझे बिन जाने बिन पहचाने तुझे बिन जाने बिन पहचाने मैंने हृदय से लगाया पर मेरे प्यार के बदले में तूने मुझको ये दिन दिखलाया जैसे बिरहा की रुत मैंने काटी तड़प के आहें भर भर के जले मन तेरा भी किसी के मिलन को अनामिका तू भीतर से भीगी भीगी सी आग से नाता नारी से रिश्ता आग से नाता नारी से रिश्ता काहे मन समझ न पाया मुझे क्या हुआ था एक बेवफा पे हाय मुझे क्यों प्यार आया तेरी बेवफाई पे हंसे जग सारा गली गली गुजरे जिधर से जले मन तेरा भी किसी के मिलन अनामिका तू भीतर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी Thank you.
Wow, that was really, really wonderful. And you're taking us back to all those beautiful movies and beautiful songs. I'm sure everybody's having a great time listening to these fantastic songs. So I think we will just unmute everyone and you all can just give a big round of applause for Abbas.
Oh,
I think he's doing an amazing, amazing job.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I think if you could all just unmute and just, I didn't hear the claps. I think he deserves a bigger round of applause for the wonderful singing he's doing. Great job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
And personally, I'm so very impressed to see him, playing all the instruments with his singing. So kudos to you. It's really, really fantastic.
Thank you. So actually, I got this. I have inherited music from my father. So he's also a wonderful singer, and he has like maybe 700, 800 videos on YouTube. So
wow.
Yeah.
So can we request him to be joining us?
Yeah. I think he'll be more than happy. At the moment, it won't be possible because
definitely.
Since he's serving at a additional chief level in PHED, Public Health Engineering Department in Rajasthan. So,
okay.
So anytime, next time, whenever you feel like, I'll definitely.
No, please do. Next week we would love to have him on our show, and we would love to hear him sing. And with all the elders here, he'll be one inspiration, so that everybody can get back to their singing. Though all of them, I know they all can sing, but they all have given up on the singing, and they keep telling me that they can't sing. So seeing your father sing, I'm sure they all will be inspired to showcase their talent, right?
So, yes. I have got music from him, so I'm still learning from him. So you all have great.
Right. So now we'll get on to your next song.
Just a minute. I'll just be back in a minute. Actually, मेरे गले में कुछ problem हो रही है. मैं पानी पी के आ रहा हूँ. Just
sure. Please. I will just in the meantime ask my elders how they are feeling about it. So everyone, ladies and gentlemen, are you enjoying the songs?
Yes.
any particular song that you really want to listen to. And let me also just tell you that not only does he sing Bollywood songs, he also sings Western, and I have requested him to be singing some very popular Western songs for you. So any particular request that you would like to, give him? Wow.
पुकार लो,
wow.
तुम्हारा इंतजार है, पुकार लो.
Wow. Great. In fact, you sang so very well, and now I know there's one more talent here, Mrs. Marwa. Good to hear you singing. And in the talent show, I'm definitely, wow, great, great. In fact, we also have a lot of people here who sing, though they all say, nahi, hame nahi aata hai something, but they all sing very well. We have Mona auntie here with us. We have Kanalpuri, who sings only one particular song. And though he can sing more, but that he's also a wonderful singer. We have Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder, who again sing beautifully. So I have all these elders here. So maybe we can all have a singing session with all of you next week, right?
Yeah, sure.
Great. So I think Abbas is back. So I hand over the mic to him. Yes. Over to you, Abbas.
Okay. So this next song has been sung by Lata Mangeshkar, and it is, I can say that it is India's most popular song. सबने सुना है इस गाने को, सब शायद कभी रोए भी होंगे इस गाने को सुन के. तो I dedicate this to everybody.
My favorite.
हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद तेरे सजनों मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद तेरे सजनों मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के लीजिए हमको करीब से, आपके नसीब में ये रात हो ना हो, शायद तेरे से मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से पास आइए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार, बाहें गले में डाल के हम बोले ज़ार आँखों से ये प्यार की बरसात हो ना हो, शायद मेरे जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले ये फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद मेरे सजनों तो न हो लग जा गले से
Wow, that was so beautiful.
Thank
And
you.
I think one of the most favorite songs of I think everyone practically, I would say.
Yes. Right? It is indeed it is a very melodiously written song. So I also love that song personally.
Very true. So I hope all of you are loving the songs. मैंने जैसे आपसे कहा था, अगर आपकी कोई फरमाइश है तो आप अब्बास को बता सकते हैं. I'm sure he would love to sing for you all. And any particular song, एक मारवा आंटी ने हमें दिया था, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं.
Okay, पुकारता चला हूँ. Okay, I'll have to search the lyrics because I don't remember the lyrics. So if you can...
All right, sure.
Can you see me?
And yes, we can see you. We can see you. And also we would like to hear one or two Western songs from you. Anyone, okay, you can decide in between.
Definitely.
मोना जी.
हेलो.
हाँ जी मोना जी, आप भी प्लीज रेडी रहिए.
नहीं चलो हट हर दिन नहीं है बड़ा. हर दिन हमसे गवाता गाना, हमारा गला एकदम खराब है.
ठीक है, मैं आपसे फिर अलग से सुनूंगा. ठीक है, बाद में.
ये तुमने बात कही.
हाँ जी, ठीक है जी.
But Mona auntie, I have to just tell you that Gaurav hates coming in front. And he never puts on his video. The only reason he's doing it is because of you.
Hi. I'm so honored. I love him for this only.
But I'm very upset with him.
तो बंद कर दो उसको आना.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. चलिए, I think Abbas has found
मुझे नहीं आता है. If you with your permission, I just sing the first
Sure, definitely.
Mukhda, sorry, yeah. Okay.
Sure.
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की. पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की. पुकारता चला हूँ.
Thank you so much for singing that for Mrs. Marwa. And next time he'll prepare the whole song, Mrs. Marwa, for you.
Definitely.
But I'm sure you enjoyed whatever he sang. And now he's ready with his next song. And in the meantime, anybody else? आज सब मेरे elders बहुत शांत से हैं.
Pardon?
No, I'm saying all my elders are very shant today. They are so engrossed in your singing that probably they're absorbing everything. I think Colonel Puri is saying something. हाँ जी.
मैं अब्बास जी से एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग सब सीनियर एल्डर्स बैठे हैं, हमें सब पुराने ही गाने सुनाए जा रहे हैं. तो कभी हम पुराने बूढ़े आदमियों को कोई लेटेस्ट हिट भी सुनने को मिलेगा?
Abbas, he wants to.
Definitely.
Abbas, he wants to hear some latest songs.
Okay. After this is one Western song which I'm singing.
Yes.
After that, I'll definitely sing.
Because at times we get fed up hearing all old songs.
No, he has some. No, Colonel Puri, he has some new songs also lined up for you. So he has some Western songs also. So he's going to sing one Western song now, and then he's going to sing some new songs for us.
So
and wonderful. Keep the tempo going with some foot tapping numbers.
एम तो ये है कि हमको भी थोड़ा जवान बना दो बस.
आप उठ के डांस करोगे तो अभी बना देंगे. आपको खड़े होना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
ये जब गाना अपना ऐसा डांस वाले करेंगे तो हम अपना मोबाइल रख के डांस करना शुरू कर देंगे.
ठीक है, definitely. So Abbas, after this we are having some foot tapping numbers so that all my elders can dance, right?
Okay, definitely. I have a very great fast dance number after that.
Great.
After this song.
Great. Looking forward to that.
Okay. So this song is basically a very popular Western song, जिसका हिंदी में भी translate हुआ था. तो आप दोनों गाने आप लोगों ने मुझे ऐसा लगता है सुने होंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे लोगों का टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है म्यूजिक का. सो आई एम वेरी श्योर. तो मैं पहले वेस्टर्न गाऊंगा एंड देन आप समझ तो जाएंगे कौन सा गाना है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी पॉपुलर ट्यून. और उसके बाद में हिंदी जो है आप साथ में गाइए. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I am one. Lord, I am two. Lord, I am three. Lord, I am four. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Oh, चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरे में ना छोड़ना मेरा. वो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा. कोई ना कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
Wow, simply superb.
Thank you.
And again, one of my favorite songs. I just love this song. So, so now we have our peppy numbers coming up so that they all can get up and dance now.
Yes.
And the new ones, of course, not the old ones.
An RD Burman for you. से वहाँ मुझको आवाज दो, झुक गए हो सनम तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम खड़े मेरे दिल में छुपे और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला, पास हो तुम खड़े मेरे दिल में छुपे और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला, पास दे में कहीं रह गए हम नशी, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, जान जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो सनम तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। Thank you.
Brilliant, brilliant.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I hope you really enjoyed that. And now, Abbas, you have to sing some new songs for them.
Okay, okay. How new? मतलब कुछ आप timeline दे सकते हैं मुझे?
It could be as new as now. It could be as new as 2010, 2015.
Okay. जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन, मैं प्यासी मुझे भर दे अपनी बाहों में, जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन, मैं प्यासी मुझे भर दे अपनी बाहों में, मेरी कसम तुझको सनम कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा। बरस बरस काली घटावर से हम यार भीग जाएं इस चाहत की बारिश में, मेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाए तू ना फेर नजर, रूठेगी ना मुझसे मेरी साथिया ये वादा कर, तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मेरा मेरे दिल पर, जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन, मैं प्यासी मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में, मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कहती है पास में आजा। Thank you.
That was so amazing, so amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm sure everyone loved this new song. Colonel Puri, I hope you're happy. आपको unmute करना पड़ेगा. Can't hear you.
I really enjoyed the song. I'm so grateful to you, sir.
हो गया। दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे। मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा। बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। मैंने सदा चाहा यही, दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं, तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बचता फिरा नाज़नीनों से मैं। तौबा मगर कहीं तुझसे नजर मिल गया दर्द जिगर, सुन जरा हो बेखबर, जरा सांस के जो देखा तूने, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। ला 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 Thank you.
Brilliant, brilliant.
Thank you.
That was really,
I
really.
made a mistake initially. It's not a Kishore Kumar song. It is a Mohammed Rafi song. So, pardon, please.
All right, but I'm sure everybody enjoyed this really for tapping number, and I hope you're going to give us some more of this so that everybody is full of energy and they are just ready to get into action after this.
Actually, fast numbers तो I don't know अभी कितने हैं मेरे पास में prepared. This song is dedicated to this beautiful evening with all of you.
Thank you.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। दूर रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी पास आती नहीं। ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंसे जहर कोई पिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, और कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। Thank you. I have only the Mukhada prepared for these two songs. So
no issue. That was nice. All again popular numbers, and I think we're just running short of time now. It's already 7. So any last 2 songs, and then we will end this session for today.
Okay. Okay, I have 2 to 3 songs medley of the popular old songs. I really like all these songs. So okay, is the piano visible now?
Yes, now we can see it.
That's great. So the 3 songs which I'll be singing will be the last for this evening, and the 3 songs I have my father has taught me since, and I've been singing these songs for quite some time. बचपन से मैं गाने गा रहा हूँ, so आप सभी को आज ये गाने dedicated है. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे जमीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग, थोड़े गम हैं, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है चाँद, ला 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 ला। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में, कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल बदन सुराए चुपके से आए, कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते, कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते, घनी थी उलझन मेरी अपना मन, अपना ही हो के सही दर्द पर आए, दर्द पर आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ होकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, तूने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे, अब रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे, आंसू को हमारे गम ना करो, वो कहते हैं उन्हें रहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पे। Thank you everybody. Thanks a lot for this wonderful time of yours.
My God, that was absolutely amazing. I loved the medley, and I'm sure everybody enjoyed it as much.
Enjoyed. Really.
I hope you all enjoyed this.
Yeah.
I think this was amazing. And the whole... Sorry?
I think somebody is willing to speak.
But the last part really took the cake, and it was just brilliant. And Abbas, thank you so much for being here with us and singing all these lovely, beautiful songs for our elders. And I'm sure each and everyone enjoyed it.
With your permission, I wish to talk to everybody if they are comfortable.
I didn't get you, Abbas. Abbas, can you repeat yourself? I didn't get you.
I just wish to talk to everybody if everybody is available.
Sure, please. Everybody is, definitely.
Yes.
Namaste, 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 madam.
Thank you so much for your beautiful songs.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
I think if you all could just come on the video and just, he could see you.
Yes.
Marwa?
Yes, wonderful song. Particularly last part was excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
The evening is well spent, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'll use this photo as for my Instagram channel.
Okay, okay. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So, Abbas, let me thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
From Emoha, from all the elders who've joined us, a very big thank you to you. And we look forward to having you over again with us.
Definitely.
I hope you will, grace us with your presence. And we loved your songs, all the numbers. And next time, also, we would love to have you with some Western things and some, very fast numbers, because like you heard the elders, they would like to hear some new songs with some,
Yes, definitely. I'll be there with
so
fast numbers.
Definitely. But today was absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for being with us. And thank you everyone for joining us. I really, really hope that you enjoyed the session with us and you liked Abbas's singing and all. I know I can see the smiles. And can we all just clap for him once for giving us such a beautiful, beautiful evening,
Thank you.
We are not live, but
thank you, Ritu, and thank you, Manisha, for having me here.
No, I think we have Manisha to thank.
We
have Manisha to thank for getting you here. And I think, Manisha, in fact, you can give a short this thing. You can say thank you to Abbas and thank you from our side to us also for getting him to us.
Thank you so much, Abbas.
Thank you, Manisha.
For the first time I asked you and you were like, ready. You told me that you would love to come here. Thank you from Emoha side as well. And we would like to have you more often on these sessions. And our elders definitely loved you and your singing, especially the last part was so amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Definitely, I'll be there.
Right.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I joined very late. I was tied up with something else. I just managed to get glimpses of the last 10-15 minutes. And I must say it was a trip down memory lane. Very well received and very well played. And thank you for me enjoying this for a little bit of the 1 hour session. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Ritu.
Be safe, be happy. And tomorrow morning, we see you again. And like I keep reminding you all, we have more TV for you, 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 6 o'clock, right? So see you all again tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Gaurav.
Yes. He's a big support. Without him, we will not be able to do anything.
I'm sorry I didn't sing for him. Tomorrow,
tomorrow 2 songs, Mona auntie, right?
Sorry.
With penalty.
No problem जी, no problem.
Okay.
मैं अभी आपको कॉल करूंगा, रुकिए.
हाँ, वो ठीक रहेगा. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Good evening, everyone. Good night.
Okay, bye.